I would say that I've never cried more and spontaneously, just in the car, the bathroom, at work, just wherever you can.
A veteran nurse at Cedars-Sinai, Scott Brickner is one of an army of frontline healthcare workers who are overwhelmed, overstressed, and frankly, heartbroken.
When I hear people talk about a number and I hear people minimize and say, oh, the death percentage is only 1.3% in LA County. So to you, 9,000 plus people being dead is just another day.
Health officials worry that is the case, that the public has grown numb to even staggering numbers. LA County reporting more than 15,000 new COVID cases today.
I think there's a number of people who don't believe in masking, who don't want to follow the public health guidelines. They think that they're going to be okay, they're immune, they're not going to get that sick, or maybe they know people who had an asymptomatic course of COVID and they think the same thing will happen to them.
Of course, healthcare workers know all too well the danger in that thinking and the consequences of exposure. Friday, San Bernardino reported 2 local cases of the more contagious variant COVID strain prevalent in London. 2 people from the same Big Bear family, where one person had contact with a traveler from the UK. Brickner is begging, if you're not going to think of your own health, think of others you could infect.
And they were exposed to you because you were reckless. But anonymous thing. And that's what's so hurtful, because I can't train you to care about other people.
In the entire first 10 months of the pandemic, 400,000 COVID cases. And just over the last month, they have reported 400,000 more. In Studio City, I'm Laurie Perez, KCAL 9 News.